Today we're going to look at Educreations. Educreations is an app on the iPad that basically turns your iPad into a recordable whiteboard. You can use it to create and share video lessons and many other things. There's features including voice recording, digital ink photos, text, simple sharing, and an ideas database online. Remember to go to www.educreations.com to create a free account. In order to create a new lesson, click New Lesson on the top left. You'll be brought to a page that looks like this. Let's take a look at a number of the features and tools on this page. At the top you'll see the pen colors, and if I touch one of them I'm able to see the full list of colors below, and I can move some up to the top by simply tapping them to customize my top toolbar. When one of the pens is selected, I can drag my finger across the screen and it will do whatever I write on there or draw. Next to that is a T. If I select the T and tap on the screen, I can put any text on my page. You'll notice at the top here this blue finger lit up, which means I can select that on my page and move it around. Also, when I select it, you'll see a number of features at the bottom that I could delete, duplicate, edit, or lock that text in place. With my text selected again, I can also hit the dictation feature on the iPad, test, and use that rather than actually typing on the keypad, which is nice. To the right of the text tool, you'll notice insert photos. If I tap that, it gives me 4 options. I can insert photos from the camera, photos, Dropbox, or the web. I'm going to select my photos here. Simply tap it, and it appears on your page. By pinching it, you can make the picture bigger or smaller. And again, by tapping it, you'll notice at the bottom appear a number of different options, including delete it, rotating it, duplicating it, or fitting it height or width to make it a backdrop. Next to the picture is my undo and redo buttons, along with my erase. To the right of that is my record button that I'll get to in a minute. At the bottom right, you'll notice an arrow that allows me to advance to a blank page. On the bottom left, you'll notice a page I can select to change my background or to duplicate the page and the ink or the page. Back to the record feature at the top, I can now record what's on my page. By simply tapping record, this word is test. This word is test. That is a snowman. I'm going to now hit done and save my lesson. It'll ask me to title my lesson and add a description if optionally. And then it'll allow me to share my lesson privately, publicly, or with my students or school, depending on the accounts I created. Again, this is just a simple overview of the Educreations app to show you some of the tools and features that are located within it. A couple of the things that you want to be aware of using this app is to save a lesson, the lesson must be recorded. You can move back to the first screen of the lesson by tapping the arrow at the bottom left. When you are ready to record, hit the record button, but you cannot undo a particular recording, so make sure you know what you're going to say. However, you can pause while you're in Educreations. I hope this brief tutorial on some of the tools of Educreations was helpful. Again, make sure you go to www.educreations.com to create a free account. Thank you for watching.